Paris, and this is my second time. It's more beautiful now.
Hi, my name is Delia. Very excited to see the Paris Louvre Museum.
Ayan, ganda pala ng Paris. Ngayon lang ako makapunta. Pa rin kayo.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm in Paris.
Hi, I'm Edna. I'm in Paris. Alright. Important. I'm in Paris. Enjoy.
There you go.
Hi, I'm in Paris. First time. I'm Lizzie Delou.
First time.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Marlita. I'm here in Paris. It's beautiful.
Yes. To Paris, okay. Sino pa? Lana? Ako na lang? Hi! We're in Paris and we are at the Louvre Museum. Enjoy and we're having so much fun. Yay! Everybody! Everybody! Yay!
Okay.
Hi!